You're free for switch, but don't tell no lie upon the country when you do switch. So, Wayne Pinnock, the silver medalist that switched from Jamaica to Turkey, right? Recently, it was revealed that he lied about not being recognized by Jamaica. And I'm gonna put a little picture right here of the email that was sent to him by Jamaica, awarding him and congratulating him for his winnings. And again, people, anybody know I did a video when this first broke out about the athletes switching allegiances. I'm all for it. If you're not being recognized, go where you are. But the issue with this specific gentleman is he lied about his reason. You were recognized. Maybe you weren't recognized enough, which is fine. Say that. You were compensated, you were rewarded. Maybe you weren't rewarded enough, again, which is fine. But say that. Don't say you weren't recognized. Don't say you weren't rewarded. I can't support this. Right? But these are just my thoughts, and what are yours? And don't forget to like, follow, share, comment. Trying to create a community of well thinkers, and I want you to be a part of it. All right?